I am the machining lead at the Detroit Lakes facility. Every day I come into work and I get prepared for the day to help all my employees figure out where they're going to go and make sure that they don't have any issues. The product comes to us in different stages. Sometimes we get raw material, and then other times we'll have parts that come to us that are ready to be finished. Once we're finished with the products, a lot of times it will go to welding. Other times it'll go straight to the customer. My role at BTD is not fast. The machines take time to run, so it is a lot slower pace. What I like most about my role is growing people and helping them become better operators, better machinists, and just moving them on.